Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry I've been gone for a bit. I'm sorry I've been gone for a bit. I went to the store. Anyways, so today's Mario's birthday. Happy birthday, Mario! Oh my God, you've influenced my life in so many ways. Um, when I was young, I used to play the games. I used to play Super Mario Bros. And the thing about Super Mario Bros is, um, on the Wii, um, you know when it was New Super Mario Bros. Wii. It's well, when I was a kid, I remember I was at my friend's house. His name is Steven, and I was like, well, his mom was putting in the disc and stuff. Not that I didn't know how. She was just being a nice person. So thank you to Steven's mom. And well, I know her name. I know her name. I'm just not gonna say it because of copyright. So yeah, so I was at Steven's house, and then the disc was in a bread box, and it was called New Super Mario Bros. And it was really fun. But then I asked her, I was like, "Well, New Super Mario Bros. This has already been out like 3 years. Is it still new?" And I ask myself that question still to this day. Obviously it's been a lot longer now. I don't know how much longer, but probably a lot. Since New Super Mario Bros. Came out, so um, yeah. So I mean, you know, So yeah, it's Mario's birthday. I decided to give myself a little mustache. Happy birthday, Mario. Um, and yeah, I mean, I think it's cool. I think he's affected a lot of people's lives in a lot of different ways, and you know, um, he's a cool guy. He respects women. Personally, he always tries to go save Peach. Is it a kind of sexist? You know, is it a kind of sexist? Um, game where there's a woman in distress all the time. Yeah, that's pretty much the basis of all the games. So I mean, but Mario didn't do that. He just he's just trying to save her. Like, I mean, it's not his fault in that situation. Maybe, I guess, since I guess if he keeps on saving her, I mean, I guess maybe he kind of reinforces it because he doesn't just let her solve it by herself because she's a strong, independent woman. Peach, that is, if you weren't following. I don't know. But anyways, it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Mario. And yeah, so today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to sound like Mario. So here, I'll give you guys just a few seconds of sounds here.
It's a Mario time! Let's go!
Okay, so basically you want to sound okay, Mario is obviously Italian, so you want to kind of sound a bit more like that. Um Anyways, listen, I have it down packed. I believe that educating is really through example. So I'll just give it my all. So I'll just show it again. Here, let you hear it again, rather. You can't see it. Maybe I'll put it up.
It's a Mario time!
Ah! It's a Mario time! Yeah, let's do that again. Ah!
It's a Mario
It's
time!
a Mario time! Let's go! Let's so nice! Whoa, wahoo! Take it easy! Oh my God! Wow, 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 wow! Oh, mamma mia! Wow! No! Oh my God! Yeah, so I hope this tutorial has helped. I mean, again, like pointers, try to sound Italian, try to sound more masculine if you're a female, because you know Mario is a male. We don't know what gender he identifies with, but I think I think he would say probably cis male because I mean he does. I mean he has a mustache, but I mean some women could have that too. So I mean I don't know. And he likes Peach, so let's just let's just consider that he's a man and Peach is a woman, and then he likes her, and let's just consider maybe that he's not bisexual. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, a lot of questions, really. Yeah. Have a good day. Happy birthday, Mario.